Jai Hind friends, welcome to SP Studies Current Affairs between 21st April to 30th April. For all competitive exam, this is our set number 12. You can get all sets from our playlist and you can get all notes and PDF from our WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Links are in the description. Let's begin our this amazing video without getting any late. According to SIPRI report, what was India's rank in the world in terms of military spending in 23? Option D, fourth rank. SIPRI का full form देख लो. Which country has become first to roll out the revolutionary new Men5CV vaccine of meningitis? Option D, Nigeria. Which Indian actress has been included among top 100 most influential people in the world by Time magazine? Option C, Alia Bhatt. With which IIT has AFMS partnered for better military health technology in difficult areas? Option D, IIT Kanpur. Dileep Singh Majithia passed recently at the age of 103. Who was he? Option D, Air Force pilot थे दिलीप सिंह मजीठिया. Recently, Tirangi Barfi has got a GI tag. It is related to which city? Option B, वाराणसी से थी तिरंगी बर्फी. है. CleanMax CleanMax has partnered with which company to accelerate adoption of renewable energy solution? Option B, CleanMax पार्टनरशिप करेगा एप्पल के साथ. Who appointed as the new Chief of Naval Staff after superannunciation of current Chief Admiral R. Hari Kumar on 30th April? Option A, दिनेश के त्रिपाठी बनेंगे हमारे न्यू Chief of Naval Staff. Who has been conferred with an honorary doctorate from prestigious Wells University in Chennai? Option D, Ram Charan. World Intellectual Property Day was observed on which day? Option D, 26 April. Theme: IP and SDG, building our common future with innovation and creativity. Which organization has developed bulletproof jacket for protection against the highest threat, level 6? Option A, DRDO. C. And which IIT have signed an agreement for automated service management Automated Service Management 5G Beyond Network using AI? Option D, IIT Jodhpur. Which edition of the International Conference on a Disaster Resilient Infrastructure begin in New Delhi? Option C, 6th edition of International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. India's first semiconductor fabrication unit chip in which state? Semiconductor fabrication. Option A, Punjab state. In April 24, which company has launched Phi 3 Mini, a lightweight artificial intelligence model? Phi 3. Option B, Microsoft. Which company has introduced its inaugural travel centric core credit card miles? Option B, SBI card. Appointments Committee of Cabinet (ACC) has approved reappointment of RBI Deputy Governor T. Ravishankar for how many years? Option A, for 1 year. T. Ravishankar, Deputy Governor of RBI. Who appointed as a brand ambassador of ICC for the 9th ICC Men's T20 World Cup? Option D, Usain Bolt. ninth ICC Men's T20 World Cup of cricket? Who has been elected chairman of Wrestling Federation of India's Athlete Commission? Option C. Narsingh Yadav. Who is the author of the book titled Heavenly Island of Goa? Option A. Governor of Goa P.S. Sridharan Pillai. 2024, India has delivered the first batch of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile to which country? Option C. Philippines. Where has a new species of clouded tiger cat named Leopardus pardinoides found recently? Option A. Brazil rainforest. Option A. Brazil rainforest. India won dash medals in Asian Wrestling Championship 24. Option B. 9 medals. Where is the Archery World Cup 24 being organized? Option D. चाइना में होने वाला है. National Civil Service Day was observed on which day? Option A. 21st अप्रैल यानी जो लोग IAS बनने वाले हैं उनका दिन. Which country become the 38th country to join the Artemis Accords? Option A. Sweden. Artemis Accord 38th country Sweden. Where was the indigenous technology cruise missile ITCM flight test conducted by DRDO recently? Option C. Chandipur coast of Odisha. Earth Day was observed on which day? Option D. 22nd April. Planet versus Plastics. Which Indian state topped in electronic goods exports with a record 9.45 billion in 24-23? Option C. Tamil Nadu. Three new archaeological sites have been discovered in which state? Options D. Telangana. Senior Indian Police Service IPS officer Nalin Prabhat. Nalin Prabhat has been appointed as Director General of which? Option D. National Security Guard NSD. और नलिन नेगी थे शायद CBI के. Ajit Kumar KK has been appointed as MD and CEO of which bank of 3 years? Option D. Dhanlakshmi Bank. Which Indian women hockey team player won Asunta Lakra Award? Option B. Deepika Soren. Who has been honored with an international fellowship by prestigious Engineering Academy of Japan? Option D. Kaushik Rajasekhara. Who honored with the prestigious Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award? Option B. Amitabh Bachchan. Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award. How many total medals did India get in the 13th European Girl Mathematics Olympiad EGMO 24? Option D. 4 medals. World Book Copyright Day was observed on which day? Option C. 23rd April. Theme: Read Your Wish. India has signed MOU with which country to enhance the collaboration and exchange of expertise in field of auditing? Option B. Bulgaria. India has made a declaration to achieve debris free space mission by which year? Option C. 2030. Debris free space mission. Which country's military chief, General Francis Ogola, was killed in helicopter crash recently? Option A. Kenya. Who has been made the new chairman of HDFC Life Insurance? Option C. Keki Misty. French carmaker Citroën company has appointed whom as its ambassador in India? Option C. Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who has been appointed as a managing director MD of Angel for India region? Option B. Dinesh Thakkar. Who won fifth Deaf Indian Premier League title? Option A. Bengaluru Badshahs. Who has won Formula One Chinese Grand Prix 2024? Option D. Max Verstappen. Who has become the youngest ever player to win the FIDE Candidates Tournament in Toronto? Option B. Domaraju Gukesh. World Malaria Day was observed on which date? Option D. 25th April. Theme है Accelerating the Fight Against Malaria for a More Equitable World. In which country has been first Hindi radio broadcast started to strengthen ties between India and which country? Option B. Kuwait and India. Which force has organized the exercise Purvi Lahar in April 24? Option C. Indian Navy. Roman Gabriel passed away recently. He belongs to which sport? Option B. Football. Royal Sports Group owned IPL Francis Rajasthan Royals RR was inaugurated their first ever cricket academy in option B Jaipur. National Panchayat Raj Day was observed on which day? Option C 24 April. Sang Keelang Festival is celebrated in which state? Option A Meghalaya. Sang Keelang. Thrissur Puram has a grand temple festival is primarily associated with which state? Thrissur Puram. Option D Kerala state. Which company has become the world's largest mobile operator in terms of data trafficking? Option B Reliance yani Jio has become the world's largest mobile operator in terms of data trafficking. What is the name of all-in-one payment device launched by BharatPe? Option A Bharat Pay One. Bharat Pay One. Which company has introduced a new Vasa One AI model? Option B Microsoft. Vasa One AI model. OpenAI has hired Daesh, its first official in India, in order to handle government relations. Option D इनके ऑफिशियल जो हैं फीमेल बनी हैं प्रज्ञा मिश्रा जी इनके ऑफिशियल जो पर्सन है ना जो कि इनके गवर्नमेंट रिलेशंस को हैंडल करते हैं UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has appointed Geeta Sabharwal of India as a United Nations resident coordinator in which country? Option B Indonesia. Geeta Sabharwal बन जाएंगी इंडोनेशिया. Who has been appointed as a Chief Vigilance Officer CVO of Cotton Corporation of India Limited CCI? Option D Nidhi S. Jain. Cotton Corporation of India Limited. Who has been appointed as the first woman vice chairholder of the Aligarh Muslim University? अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी की वाइस चीफ हैं ऑप्शन ए नाइमा खातून. Who has been honored with the prestigious KISS Humanitarian Award Kaling Institute of Social Science Award in 2021? Option B Ratan Tata ji. Who has won the prestigious 2024 World Press Photo of the Year Award? Option D Mohammad Saleem. Aryabhatta Award. Option B Pavuluri Sabba Rao. Rohit Sharma become Dash player after MS Dhoni to play 250 matches in IPL. Option B second player after MS Dhoni to play 250 matches in IPL. PM Narendra Modi has inaugurated Bhagwan Mahavir
निर्वाण महोत्सव ऑन ओकेशन ऑफ महावीर जयंती। ऑप्शन डी। कौन से नंबर का मंदिर है ये? 2550। Who has won the Best Director Award in 21st Irish Film and Television Award 2024? Option D. Lisa Mulcahy. Lisa Mulcahy has become Best Director. Where is the world's largest airport? Al Maktoum International Airport being built? Option A. Dubai, UAE. Where has India's first constitution park jointly developed by Indian Army and Puneet Palan Group been inaugurated in? Option A. ये पार्क बना है पुणे में, महाराष्ट्र, by Indian Army and Puneet Palan Group. Who has been ranked top in the world's top EdTech ranking companies 2024 released by Time Magazine? Top EdTech ranking company. Option C. Emeritus. According to IQ Air report, which has been the most populated city in the world? Option A. Kathmandu, Nepal. Who has become the first player to record most wins in 150 matches in the IPL history? 150 मैचेस जीते हैं। ऑप्शन डी। महेंद्र सिंह धोनी। Who has become the new vice chief of the Indian Army? Option D. Krishna Swaminathan. When is the International Labour Day 2024 observed? Option D. 1st May. Theme है ensuring workplace safety and health amidst climate changes. Which Indian environmentalist has been selected for Goldman Environmental Prize 2024? Option A. Alok Shukla. Who has scored a hat trick of gold medals in individual women's team and mixed team event in Shanghai Archery World Cup 2024? हैट ट्रिक लगाई है। ऑप्शन डी। ज्योति सुरेखा वेनन ने। India's Abhay Sharma has been appointed as head coach of which country cricket team? ऑप्शन ए। युगांडा की क्रिकेट टीम को कोच करेंगे अभय शर्मा। Which state government has launched a 3-day survey of state's icon animal Nilgiri Tarha? Option D. Tamil Nadu. Who is the author of the book titled The Winner's Mindset? Option A. Shane Watson. Which artificial intelligence AI anchor has been awarded the Gold Media Award 2024? Option A. Sana. Who has been appointed as the Director General of All India Radio News? ऑल इंडिया रेडियो न्यूज के डायरेक्टर जनरल हैं। ऑप्शन डी। मौसमी चक्रबोर्टी। इशकदार हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू डिप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ विच कंट्री? ऑप्शन ए पाकिस्तान। इशकदार। आईसीसी हैज अनाउंस्ड which Indian player cricketer as the ambassador of ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2024? Option C. Yuvraj Singh. Who has written the book titled India's Nuclear Titans? Option C. Both A and B. When is World Veterinary Day 2024 observed? Option D. 27 April. Theme: Veterinarians are essential for health workers. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Athlete Commission of Wrestling Federation of India? Option A. Narsingh Yadav. Where will the G7 Summit 2024 be held? Option B. Fasano, Italy. Who has been reappointed as the Deputy Governor of Reserve Bank of India? Option A. T. Ravi Shankar. Who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Solomon Islands? Option B. Jeremiah Manele. When is a World Press Freedom Day 2024 celebrated? ऑप्शन सी 3rd March. Theme: A Phrase for a Planet, Journalism in the Face of Environmental Crisis. Which Indian has been awarded the Whitley Gold Award 2024? Option D. Purnima Devi Burman. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Paytm Money? Option B. Rakesh Singh. Who has been awarded the title of Grandmaster by International Chess Federation? Option B. Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Uma Ramanan passed away at the age of 72. Who was she? Option B. Playback singer. Who has been appointed as a director in Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, DPIIT? Option B. Pratima Singh. The electric air taxi of E-Plane Company of IIT Madras will be launched in which year? IIT Madras की E-Plane Company ऑप्शन बी लॉन्च करेगी एयर टैक्सी सर्विस ऑप्शन बी 2025 तक. First lunar mission iCube Q to be launched with China's lunar mission Chang'e E6 is related to which country? ऑप्शन ए पाकिस्तान. चैंग E6 के साथ रिलेटेड है iCube Q. Who has topped medal tally in the first Gulf Youth Games 2024? Option B. UAE, United Arab Emirates. Where have researchers discovered the world's deepest blue hole? Option A. Mexico. Who has launched India's first AI-powered tax filing app? Option D is a tax. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स, आपने मेरी वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी. आपके लिए कुछ होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है और उनका आंसर मुझे कमेंट करिए. आपको सारे नोट्स और पीडीएफ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिलेंगे हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल से, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. थैंक यू सो मच, पढ़ते रहिए, मस्त रहिए. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.